Welcome to our second session of the Industry Series Dialogue. I am Pragya Mishra and I'm heading the Customer Success and Operations Department at Courseplay. So today, we cover yet another relevant topic, which is digital transformation in the industry, upskilling for the tech-driven market. And we have the highly experienced Mr. Sandeep Das with us to shed light on this topic. Mr. Das is the Vice President and Head of Learning and Development at IIFL Finance. So I'd like to welcome you now, Mr. Das. I'm so excited to speak to you and get a lot of inputs from you today.
Thank you, Pragya. Thanks for the introduction and hello to everyone.
So let's delve into the first question right away. In your opinion, what do you think are the key drivers that are pushing organizations towards digital transformation today?
Right. Thanks, Pragya. It's a very pertinent question that gets asked across multiple forums. And digital transformation is an imperative for any organization across industry and which is agnostic of the kind of customers that you serve, whether it is a bottom of the pyramid customer or top of the pyramid customer. Digital transformation is the way to go ahead. Now, what exactly digital transformation from a L&D perspective mean? So I think the biggest transformation that we have seen in the recent times because of the advent of digital technology has been in the field of learning and development. So I'll step back to 2.5 years when an unforeseen emergency in the form of COVID struck everybody.
Yeah.
And the early adopter of digital transformation was the L&D team, which by that point of time had been introduced to multiple digital mediums of delivery like Zoom or a WebEx or a Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, to name other platforms. So that was the first time when the learning and development team stood up to the occasion and ensured that employees across location, across organizations are quickly trained on the new ways of working. Then fast forward to today, it's just been 2.5 years since we went into that, but the pace with which digital transformation has become a norm of the day, it's immense. We have seen a lot of technology in the form of AR, VR, and chatbot, artificial intelligence, and the latest one being Chat GPT or generative AI, and of course other platforms. Now, what does it do? It basically helps us to improve the employee experience and being more data driven, being more contextual. So all these tech innovations and digital transformation have made us more agile. We are able to reach to a large population in a very short span of time, use this technology to create more contextual learning experience, and measure the impact of the learning. So a key factor for any organization, any business leader, or any I would say CEO would be to derive the maximum ROI of training. And one of the challenging part of any L&D professional was how do we integrate the data which comes from multiple directions within the organization to bring forward the ROI, which takes into account all the aspects. Now, the digital transformation has helped us to integrate all the data coming from various parts of the organization and analyze those data, and I would say factually talk about the ROI or the impact, which is more contextualized.
Thank you so much for this. So what I understood from this point is that digital transformation has actually helped unify the data that comes from different places. And I really like the point where you mentioned that the L&D team were the pioneers of adopting this, because they quickly, of course, COVID happened quickly and everyone had to get on their feet and start thinking and adopting this as pioneers. They were the ones who were driving the entire organization. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense.